hang out with me today while I do a gel polish service. So first steps first, I'm removing the gel polish color, only the color. I'm using my Erica's Smooth Top Safety Carbide, and I'm leaving my Gelousy one-step base in place, and I'm going to fill my gel polish. This is what I do for all my gel polish services. The reasoning behind it is healthier for the nails because you're not repeatedly soaking and you're not repeatedly re-prepping that nail plate, and then they can stay healthy and strong and just grow out and only be prepped once very gently, and all is well. So once that's done, I've already taken some link down. By the way, this is my Luxa dust collector. I have a discount code for them, HDH10, that you can use to save money on it, and I can put links. And there's links in my bio on Instagram if you follow me there. I'm just using my file here just to reshape her kind of a little bit of an almond. These files are also linked in my Instagram bio, and I can put them below if you're watching on YouTube. So I'm going through reshaping everything before I do cuticle work, and the reason is once I do some cuticle work, I will use my bit and come down the nail all the way to the tip, and in that step do my beveling, because when you want to have like a rounded tip, an almond tip, a natural tip shape, you almost want to bevel a little bit so you don't have some like hard drop off at the end of the nail. That makes it feel thicker than it really is, and we don't need that. So I'm using a small tapered barrel diamond bit, only a diamond bit on the natural nail. And I'm doing that because she's had a little bit of attached cuticle here, and I need to exfoliate away a little bit more. Bigger job, bigger bit, I always say. And then you can always go in and do some extra detailed cuticle work. This is very basic cuticle work I'm doing here. And she actually needed to get out of the salon within 30 minutes. So we save the detailed cuticle work for when you have time, because you can't rush cuticle work. That would just be dangerous for the health of the cuticles and not a good idea. And you'll see me on the skin, like where she has calluses a little bit, going through and exfoliating that off as well, which is fantastic. Okay, so I'm gonna clean them off. And I do use a cuticle nipper here every once in a while, not always, but when we're in a hurry, when we don't have time to do it carefully with the e-file, I will do it that way. This is primer, Protein Bond Primer from Young Nails. I have a link to my distributor as well. I can supply for you, or again in that Instagram bio link. And then this is the Gelousy One Step. Same thing, I'll link it for you guys, or it lives in my Instagram bio link. I only link and share the things I actually use. And you can see I put the majority of the product back where it needs it and then float it over the rest of the nail. So it essentially fills the nail with gel polish. And then I'm curing it in my lamp. I have linked in that bio as well. Anyway, I'll let you go ahead and finish watching me apply color, and I'm gonna do a little nail art. Nail art brushes are also something I can have linked in that bio for you. Enjoy your day. It's a fun one to watch, and then I top it off with my Shine top coat from Luxa. Same discount code, HDH10. It's stain resistant, works really well on top of these light colors. Have a fantastic day.